morning. Good morning, students. Today, the new chapter, going to the new chapter, 14th, Mathematical Reasoning. Mathematical Reasoning. In mathematical reasoning, the first one is statement. Okay, before discussing the statement, the first sentence. What is the sentence? Sentence is nothing but, for example, 2 is a even number. Sentence. In English, sentence means one in comma, in between comma, starting to comma, before comma. The sentence. Okay. In mathematical, one sentence means what? Sentence means 2 is a prime number. All prime numbers are odd numbers. Okay. 10 is a divisible by 100. These all types of this statement. This is called a sentence. Okay. First, what is the statement? First statement, a sentence is called a mathematically acceptable statement. A sentence, any sentence, one sentence, given sentence. One sentence is called a mathematically acceptable statement. Mathematically acceptable statement. If it is either true or false, that statement sentence, is true sentence or false sentence. Okay, no problem. But not both. A sentence is called, once again, a sentence is called a mathematically acceptable statement. Sentence is which type of sentence? A sentence, which type? Mathematically acceptable statement. If it is either true or false. The sentence is true means true statement. The sentence is false means false statement. So both the true or false means there is not a statement. First statement. After that, the sentence, the statement is a true statement or false statement. First of all, true. First of all, that the sentence is a statement. After that, the statement is true statement or false statement. Okay. Next, negation of a statement. Negation of a statement. Negation symbol. The symbol of negation is, this is the symbol of negation. Okay, negation. This is the negation symbol. Negation is nothing but not. Negation is nothing but not. So, the denial of a statement is called the negation of the statement. The denial of a statement is called the negation of the statement. That is the meaning. Negation. What is the denial? If P is a statement, then the negation of P is also a statement. Negation of P is all. P is a statement. Negation of P is also a statement. Only denoted by this symbol is this negation symbol. Read as not P. Negation P or not P. For example, P is a true statement. Negation P is a false statement. P is a false statement. Negation is a true statement. Okay, this is not. Adding not. The given statement with not. Okay, P is a prime number. What is the negation? P is not a prime number. P is a even number. Negation of P, not a prime, not a even number. Or an odd number. Simply. Next, compound statement. These are theoretical chapter. Compound statement. Compound. Compound means number of. A compound statement is a statement. A compound statement is a statement which is made up of two or more statements. Made up of two or more statements. In this case, each statement is called component statement. Each statement is called component statement. Component statement is nothing but a single statement. P is a prime number. This is a statement or component. Compound or component. P is a prime number. This is the component statement or statement. Single statement is called a component statement. Number of component statements is called compound statements. Number of component statements. Once again, a compound statement is a statement which is made up of two or more statements. In this case, each statement is called a compound statement. Okay, component statement, single statement is called component. Number of component statement combined the number of component statement is called a compound statement. Okay, clear? Once again, statement means first of all sentence. Sentence is nothing but one. For example, in mathematical sentences, P is a prime number, 2 is a prime number. This is the sentence. Okay. A sentence is called a mathematically acceptable statement. Mathematically acceptable statement. If either true or false, but not both. In any statement is a true statement or false statement. First of all, statement. After that statement is a true statement or false statement. Not both. Okay. Next, negation of a statement. The denial of a statement is called negation of a statement. Or meaning the P is a statement. The negation of P is also a statement. It is denoted by this symbol of this negation symbol. Read as not P. Okay. Compound statement. A compound statement is a statement which is made up of two or more statements. Made up of two or more statements. In this case, each statement is called a component statement. Each statement. The single statement is called component statement. Number of component statement is called compound statement. Statement is called mathematically acceptable statement. Negation of statement means what? Not. Negation is not. P is true. Negation is false. Okay, not true. Not true is nothing but false. Okay, this is one. Okay, this is the main definitions. So, 3 definitions. So, I go into the some examples, statement, negation examples, and a compound statement examples. Discuss the. Okay. Exercise 14.1. There are 35 days in a month. Days in a month. There are 35 days in a month. Month has 35 days. This is a statement or not, first of all. Month has 28, February month 28, 31, 30. Okay. So 28 is there, 29 is there. The leap year 29. February has 29 days in leap year. Normal year February 28 days. Remaining 30, 31. May 30, 34, 31 days. So 28 to 20, 30, 31. These days are possible days. Is it correct? So 35 days in a month is a statement. Mathematically, the true or false? 35 days in a month is false. Okay. Statement. This is the statement. False statement. First of all, statement. After that, is true or false. This is the statement because mathematically acceptable. Exactly, all are have exactly. This is the month has 35 days. This is wrong. But they are mathematically acceptable, either true or false, but not both. Okay, clear? So this is 35. This is not impossible. Not possible. Impossible. So 35 days in a month is impossible. So this is the statement, but false statement. False statement. Next. Mathematics is difficult. Mathematics is okay. Mathematics is difficult. Mathematics is difficult means this is not a statement. This is not a statement because of mathematics is some numbers like easy, feel like easy. Some numbers feel like hard or difficult. So this is true or false? Both true. Some numbers feel like this is true. Some numbers like this false. Some numbers true, some numbers false means this is not a statement. All are acceptable. This is true or false. Is possible or impossible. So mathematical difficulty is not a statement because of the some numbers feel like is different. Some numbers feel like easy. Okay. So this is not a statement. Next, third one. The sum of 5 and 7 is the sum of 5 and 7 is greater than 10. The sum of 5 and 7 is greater than 10. This is the statement. Because of this is true or false is not important. Okay. So sum of 5 and 7. Sum of 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. 12 greater than 10. This is the statement and two statement greater than 10. 12 is greater than 10. So this is the statement. True conditional, true statement, false statement, true statement. Okay. So reason, what is the reason? The sum of this is reason. 35 days in a month, this is statement. Reason false. False statement. Statement okay. Not a statement reason. So not a statement means mathematics is feel like some number feel like difficult, some number feel like that easy. So this is not a statement. The reason. Okay. So this is a statement because of 5 plus 7 is 12, 12 is greater than 10. Greater than 10 statement too, but a true statement. Next, fourth one. The square of a numbers the square of a number is an even number. The square of a numbers is an even number. Number square even number. 1 square 1 odd number. First of all, this is the statement mathematically acceptable. So this is the true statement or false statement? False statement, because of square. 1 square 1 is odd number. 3 square 9 is odd number. So this is the statement, but a false statement. Why false statement? This is 1 square example. 1 square 1 odd number. Next, fifth one. The side of a quadrilateral the sides of a quadrilateral have equal length. Have equal length. Quadrilateral sides, this is mathematically acceptable. Are they equal length or not? Equal length or not? Yes. So quadrilateral means what is the quadrilaterals? Quadrilateral means square, rectangle, the parallelogram, these all are quadrilaterals. The quadrant equal length means equal length. Quadrilateral means what? Equal length side, rhombus, square, rhombus. The square rhombus quadrilateral has 4 sides. In 4 sides, different quadrilaterals. 4 sides equal, but diagonals are equal means square. 4 sides equal and diagonals not equal means rhombus. So opposite sides are equal, but diagonals not equal means parallelogram. This is quadrilateral. Quadrilateral different types, 4 types. So this is the statement. Okay, next. Answer this question. Answer this question. Answer this question. Close the door. Open the door. Read books. The question tags. Okay. Answer this question. Question tags. Question mark. And the questions. The questions is always not a statement. Questions. Open the door. Close the door. Go into side. Outside. Come inside. This is the questions. The questions, this type of statement, sentence is not a statement. So this is not a statement. Clear? The product of -1, 8. The product of okay. Seventh one. The product of -1 and 8 is 8. Product of 1 more -1 more acceptable mathematics. Okay. So this is the statement. This is the statement. So this is true statement, false statement. This is statement, but false, because my product of -1 and 8 is what? -8. So that's why this is the false statement. First of all, statement. This is the statement. After that is a false statement. X less than 3. X less than 3. For example, x less than 3. X less than 3. X less than or equal to 3. This is inequalities. X is equal, x less than or equal to 3 is not a statement. Because of x less than 3 means what? 2, 1, 0. Okay, this is undefined. So x is equal to 3 means this is statement. Exactly 3. All are says. What is x values? X value 3. X less than 3 means some member says 2, some member says 1, minus 1, minus 2. This is not equal. Okay, so this is not a statement. This is a statement. This is not a statement. This is a statement. Next 8. The sum of all interior angles of a triangle. The sum of all interior. The sum of all interior angles of a triangle. Is 180. Is a statement. True statement or false statement? Statement. But sum of all interior angles of a triangle is 180. All interior angles of a triangle is 180. So this is statement 2 and true statement. Next 9. Today is windy day. Today is windy day. Today is windy day. This is not a statement. Because of today is a windy day, rainy day. This is not correct. Some member says today windy day. Today rainy day. This is not a coincidence. So this is not a statement. Acceptable. Mathematical acceptable statement is acceptable statements. Okay, today windy day. Okay, today I am going to school. Okay, these are not a statement. Questions and this type of question mark. Today is windy day. This is question mark. Today windy day. Not correct. You don't know. Today windy day, rainy day. You don't know. But this is true statement and false statement. This confusing statement. Confusing statements are not a statement. Perfectly true or false. Not confusion. Not doubt. Not doubtful statements. All real numbers are complex numbers. All real numbers are complex numbers. All real numbers are complex numbers. Okay. All real numbers are complex numbers. All complex numbers not a real number. But all real numbers is a complex number. So mathematically acceptable. So this is statement. So this true statement or false statement? True statement. This is the 10 exercise 14 10 problems are there. Only the 10 problems are depending on statement or not. Give reason. Some examples also there. So we can do it. If you first exercise completed, next we are going to the second exercise. What is the second exercise? Negation. Negation of a statement. If P is a statement, negation of P is also statement. It is noted by symbol and read as not P. Negation means not P. Reverse. True. Reverse false. That's not true. True reverse not true. This is the negation. Next, the compound statement. A compound statement is a statement which is made up of two or more statements. In this case, each statement is called a component statement. Single statement is called component statement. Two or more component statements are called compound statement. Clear? This one. So first exercise completed. Second exercise. Exercise 14.2. Write the negation of following statement. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Chennai is the Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Negation. Chennai is the not a capital of simple. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Chennai is the not a capital of Tamil Nadu. Simple. Okay, clear? Root 2 is not a complex number. Root 2 is not a complex number. Second one. P. Root 2 is not a complex number. Root 2 is not a complex number. Root 2 is not a complex number is negation. Negation P not P. Root 2 is a complex number. So, not of not. Not of not equal to yes. False of false equal to not a complex number. Negation complex number. Complex number negation not a complex number. Not a complex number negation complex number. Clear? Next. All triangles are not equilateral triangles. All triangles are not equilateral triangles. All triangles are not equilateral triangles. What is the negation P? All triangles are equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. The number 2 is greater than 7. The number 2 is greater than 7. What is negation P? The number 2 is not greater than number 2 is not greater means greater than opposite less than or equal to or greater than 7 or not greater than 7. Another answer is greater than opposite is less than or equal to 7. Every natural number is an integer. Every natural number is an integer. What is the negation P? Every natural number is not an integer. Every natural number integer is true or false? Every natural number is integer. So every integer not a natural number. So this is the negation. Okay. Next. Second problem. Once again, Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Negation PCP. Negation P. Chennai is not a capital of Tamil Nadu. This is negation of P. Root 2 is not a complex number. Negation. Root 2 is a complex number. All triangles are not equilateral triangles. Negation. All triangles are equilateral triangles. The number 2 is greater than 7. Negation. The number 2 is not greater than 7. Every natural number is an integer. Every natural number is not an integer. Every natural numbers are integers. Yes, every natural numbers are integers. So, every natural number is an integer, but every integer is not a natural number. Converse is not true. The second question is in the exercise. Are the following pairs of statements are the following pairs of are the following pairs of statements are the following pairs of statements negation of each other. Negation of each other. Negation of each other. First one. The number x is not a rational number. The number x is not a rational number. The number x is not a rational number. The number x is not an irrational number. This is the problem. Okay. The number x is not an irrational number. The number x is not a rational number. X అనేది not a rational number and x is not a irrational number. This is the given problem. So, solution. Not a rational number means irrational number. Not a irrational number means rational number. Okay. The number x is not a rational number. Not a rational number means irrational number. The number x is an irrational number. Okay, in the first statement, this is P statement. Statement P, the number x is not a irrational number. Not a rational number means irrational number. The number x is an irrational number. Negation P is equal to the number x is not an Okay, problem number second, first bit, the number x is not a rational number. Not a rational number means irrational number. The negation of p is what? The number x is not an. Negation means what? Not an irrational number. Not an irrational number. What is q? Given q, the number x is not an irrational number. The number x is not an irrational number. Not an irrational number. So p and q are both p statement, q statement. Both statements are negation to each other or not. P, negation of P. Negation of P is equal to Q. So P and Q are negation. Q is the negation of P. Q is the negation of P. What is the number? The number x is not an irrational number. What is negation of Q? The number x is an irrational number. So P is the negation of Q. Q is the negation of P. Therefore, P is the negation of Q. P is the negation of Q. And Q is the negation of P. So, therefore, hence P and Q are negation to each other. Negation to each other. What is the meaning of negation to each other? P negation Q ಆಗಬೇಕು, Q negation P ಆಗಬೇಕು. Perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular to each other means what? P is the perpendicular to Q, Q is the perpendicular to P. So P is the negation of Q, Q is the negation of Q. So the P and Q are negation to each other. And second problem, second bit to homework. So tomorrow continue the compound statement. Clear?